Welcome back, everyone. Before I put that pickup back into place, I just want to tell you what I'm up to here. This neck pickup, which often happens with this type of guitar, it tends to kind of tilt a little bit, so it's not level with the string path. So I just put that little piece of foam in there at the leading edge on the front, and that will encourage the pickup to sit dead level with the string path. So this is the compensated nut on this Custom Shop 356. This is what I had to do to calibrate this guitar to that degree of accuracy. You can see that they're all negative values. This is 10 to 46 strings, concert pitch. So James's Les Paul, from the center of the first fret to the end of the fingerboard, is 1.328 inches. Dave's CS 356, same scale length, is 1.313 inches. And this is the final compensated nut on Dave's 356. This is the nut on James's Les Paul. Moment of truth is here. So tightening up the bridge, light fret dress, and that 50s wiring. So I snugged down the post for that Tone Pro bridge. It was wiggling a little bit. Now it's good and tight. Everything's lined up for concert pitch.